Alright you guys, so I'm going to show you how to get your beauty blenders from this to this. So we're going to use this Garnier cleansing water as well as Dawn liquid soap. You're going to go ahead and fill up your water bowl. And then you're just going to throw in your beauty blenders. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and pour the cleansing water on there first. It kind of helps loosens up the makeup out of the beauty blenders. Then I'm pouring the soap on there. My recommendation is to use more of the Garnier cleansing water. It'll actually help loosen the makeup a lot easier than the dishwashing liquid. But I only had a small bottle today, so I only used a little bit today. Here I am just trying to squeeze all the makeup out of the beauty blenders. I'm just going to keep repeating this step. As you can see, it's getting all brown and yucky like, but don't worry, we're going to loosen this baby up. Now what I'm going to do after this is I'm going to let them sit for at least like 5 minutes, and then I'm going to go back in and check on it later and rinse it out. So this is what they're looking like as of right now. Look at all that dirty brown water. I'm gonna fill the bowl back up again, and I'm just gonna do like the same step. I'm gonna apply some soap, and I'm gonna apply the Garnier cleansing water as well, because it looks like it's pretty tough on there. So here I'm just completing the same step, really just trying to squeeze all the makeup out of there. I'm gonna let it sit for another 5 minutes, and then we'll see how it turns out after. Alright guys, so they are all done. Here I am just rinsing them really well. The reason why I use so much water is because I don't want any of the soap residue to still be in there. So I use a lot of water. Don't judge me, don't come for me, leave me alone. This is just what I do. This is what works for me. I want to make sure they're super clean and that it doesn't still have soap in there. And I'm basically going to do this to each and every last one of these blenders. I do go in with cleansing water to apply on there, just for the ones that still had like the really tough makeup on there that was tough to remove. But yeah guys, that is really it. So we are all done. This is what they look like, all clean. And I'm going to show you guys each one individually. Looks pretty good. Still has a little bit of makeup on there, but they're pretty clean. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks for watching.